But of course, you guys know that I only eat the vegan stuff, and I get so much hate for it. As for everything else, yeah. Oh boy, oh boy. Anyway, I'm off. I'm off here. It's a great morning. It's a great morning here in Irvine, California. Beautiful and cheery with all these Christmas decorations everywhere. It's just beautiful. Some people have really gone out of their way to decorate these beautiful streets. We rarely got the time to do any of that good stuff, but we really appreciate the other people who do that. It's beautiful. It's very
Likey.